Good morning, everybody. Mr. Jamek here. Hope everyone's doing well. Wanted to continue with the lesson that we're going to be focusing on, which is going to be called box and whisker plots. We previously worked on comparing data with random samples and how to do that with dot plots and everything. Now we're going to move into that. You're still using the same kind of concepts, except a box and whisker is kind of like how it sounds. Obviously we know what a box is. You can see the clear shape is a box. And then you have the whiskers, which pretty much, you refer to something that like a cat. So these different extensions that go from the box and whisker plot are exactly what they are. They are the extension. So this is the box, and these are the whiskers. And then, so right here it says a box and whisker plot. So trying to help you guys to figure out how the flow of the data is going to go. This is a convenient way of visually displaying data distribution through quartiles. So what I mean by that is that, so let me put this for you guys here. So this here is called the box. Okay, these extensions are called the whiskers. And then these here in the middle that you're going to see, these are the different, I'll just label it Q for quartiles. These are the quartiles and how you guys are going to find the numbers. You'll always be given the data. I'm just doing the basic overview of what the concept's going to be. But you'll eventually have the number line with the numbers in the box and whisker that opposes the different questions that go along. And I'll show you guys an example of how to work with that. Also, the video tutorials that I'll give you from myself and some other ways on HRW are really good explanations of how you can see the walkthrough to how to find and compare a box and whisker plot. It's the same thing. It's just really gathering the data to understand what questions pertaining to, with the mean, and again, we did that already, the mode, the range, the median. This is an extension of different data that you can use based on a question they may ask, and it could be various different things. So I'll go over one of those questions in my next video. But just to give you the basic overview of a box and whisker plot, it's a convenient way of visually displaying data distribution through quartiles, which is the separation within the box. The box itself is the box, and then you have the whisker, which is the two lines of going from the side. Just think about a cat. And then I'll show you on the next example of how you use all of this to figure out different questions that you're going to be based on box and whisker, the data, and how you see a flow between the different quartile. So again, this is just the overview of what's going to be discussed. My next video will break down exactly how you need to figure out the comparing the data from the two box and whisker plots, and then just continue to use the resources and other materials that I give you to really understand the comparison. There's multiple videos that I'm going to send you, and there's a lot of good stuff too that you can find on your HRW as well that really shows you the true functioning. And I'll send you other videos from like Khan Academy too that has different examples as well. So this is the overview, convenient way of visually displaying data distribution through quartiles, which is in between the box, and then the whiskers are what goes on the side. Just think about a cat. And then my next video I will demonstrate of how to find the box and whisker and how to relate the numbers according to a number line. Okay, have a great rest of the day. Check back to me later for the next video of box and whiskers.